Hello all, this is Selva Kumarji. I'm currently studying MBA in IIT Roorkee. So welcome to Speed Up. Today I'll be walking you through a concept called root words. Root words. When a basic word is attached to either a prefix or a suffix, a new word forms. So I'll be explaining all these concepts through following examples. So the first example is so arc is a basic word and ruler is the meaning of arc, and when this arc has been placed in a word it has a new meaning, that is a new word. For example, this arc has been presented in this word as a suffix, in this word too, anarchy. The meaning of monarch is a sole ruler. Most of the kings at that in our past time were monarchs. They were a single ruler of the state. And anarchy means there is no government functioning. So the second example would be the second word is apt. The meaning of apt is fit. These three-letter words, when jointly present in another word, which I have mentioned earlier, they form a new word and a new meaning. For example, this is aptitude. As you've already seen, there are a lot of aptitude exams. What aptitude really means is the skill. When they say aptitude in exam, they wanted to test a particular skill. Aptitude level, what is your aptitude level, or IQ, or these are all meaning to a particular skill. The second is apt. Apt means suitable. This says like, for example, are you when a person says you are apt for this role, you're apt for this, apt for doing a new job, they mean you are particularly suitable for doing a particular job. So apt means suitable. So the third word is So the third word is aqua. Aqua. I think you might have heard about this word. Aqua means water. We see everywhere, the world is surrounded by water, and we usually heard the term aqua. And the two words that I want to give you as an example is aqueduct. Duct is a passageway. When aqua and duct becomes a new word, it means like a passerway for the water to pass through. The second word is aquafortis. Aquafortis means nitric acid or a strong acid, a strong water. So the fourth word is So the fourth word is anim. The meaning of anim is mind or soul. One of the example is unanimous. Unanimous means a collective decision or a common agreement or of same mind. When they say unanimous, they mean like everybody accepts with a full mind or one mind to a particular decision. So the fifth word for this day would be ANN, an or ENN, N. The meaning of both these words is year. Some of the examples are annuity, biennial, and perennial. Annuity. I think everyone must have heard about this common word at least once in their life. Annuity means it refers to 1 year. Biennial means 2 years, and perennial means for more than 2 years. For example, we say river flows throughout its life. That means it is perennial. So the sixth example for this day would be so the sixth word is am. The meaning of am is love. So the examples are amity and amicable. Amity. I think some must have heard about Amity University. So amity means friendship. So the second word is amicable. As I already told, am means love or friendship. So amicable means being friendly. So the seventh word is alt. As I already told, the seventh word is alt. The meaning of the meaning of alt is high. So the examples is altitude. Altitude. Geography lessons we might have went through altitude. The word called altitude. Altitude means height. We will be measuring the mountain's height, or we'll be calling all this as altitude. For example, we would have called Himalayas might be like 20,000 feet altitude, for example. I'm not exactly sure about the value. So the second word is altimeter. Meter. Alti is height and meter is a device of for measuring something. So it means altimeter means an instrument for measuring height. So the eighth word is corpore. So the eighth word, corpore. Corpore means body, the human body. Corpse. One of the examples is corpse. Corpse is a dead. The meaning of corpse is dead body. Then incorporate. It's another word which means organize into a body. These are all a management term. Incorporate or something. Incorporate is a word that means like organize into a body. For example, let's take an organization. We have seen about a corporation, the word called corporation. The meaning of corporation is putting different people, or organizing all these people into a single body. That's the single body is the company. So the ninth word for this day is so the ninth word is clan. I think you might have heard about the game called Clash of Clans. So, what does this clan mean? Clan means secret. The Clash of Clans means it's a game for the people who play or attack secretly. So, the example is clandestine. It means secret. So, the final and the last word for this day is scent. The final word cent. Cent means 100. So some of the examples I took is century and centipede. Century. Century means 100 years. Example, there lived a king before a century, which means there was a king who actually lived for or before a century. Uh, Second example is centipede. Centipede is an insect which has multi legs and a wingless animal. Uh, these are the small animals which crawl around the floor, and these are usually red color. So I hope that you had a fine time with these lessons. So the basic or the purpose of this common roots is there are certain words or there are certain words that can be easily remembered by the humans. Instead of mugging up all the words, instead of mugging up all the words, we can have certain roots or some common words which I taught you. All this scent or something, scent, alt. These words, when they are present in a word, they have a different meaning. And the purpose, I hope the purpose of making you learn something new is fulfilled. I hope you like and share and comment and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.